Assalamu alaikum, welcome back again to part 2 of module 1, practical numerical methods for scientists and engineers, and we will continue our talking about MATLAB main function and main operators. So here we have some useful commands in MATLAB: help, doc, who, and whose. So help is display the help text in the command window for anything, function or command. So for example, okay, now I want to test something. I can test help. Okay, so help what? Help, let's say help. Okay, so here it's shown here. Help is display the help text in command window. Help, by itself it's primary, so it, yeah, as you can see, it gives you all details about the um, command or function you will use. Okay, also we have doc displays the help text in command window and opens the help browser. uh, so let's check it. So we can say a doc help. See, now this is a command, this is a window, and it gives you the how to the syntax of the command, how to use it, description, and more details. Okay, now also we have who and whose. So who lists the variables in the current workplace, and whose is more details about the variables. So we have here the variables a, b, and c. So if we said who, okay, so MATLAB told me you have a, b, and c. This is all your variables you have. If I want to more details, so I can say whose. Okay, so it gives me details. The size is a matrix of one. So you have one variable. B is one variable. C is one variable. Okay, and the bytes. Okay. More function. We have CLC, clear, clear all, and home. CLC, this is function is very good to clear command window. Clear the command window. And for if you want to remove all variables from the workplace, you will type clear. Okay, clear all, not only workplace, you can also, if you have globals, function, everything, mix links, so it will be clear everything. For home is similar to clear CLC, but clear, it's clear the command window, so you will erase everything in the command window. But home, it will insert like a blank page. It give you new page, and the previous page keep so you can browse or scroll through the window. Let's check. Okay, now okay, you have this window. Let's type home. So home, it gives you clean command window, but you have still the previous commands and files. But if I type CLC, now everything is gone, so the command window become clear. Okay, also clear and clear all. So we have a, b, c here. If we set clear, now the workplace become clear, we don't have anything here. So here how we used help. Okay, you can, here some tips, like you can assign value to variables name x equal 10. You can do the basic arithmetic function in MATLAB using the variables like x and y equal 5 plus 4, like a equal x times y. So all these mathematics, you can do it. And also it's important to know that variable name is case sensitive. So a small is not like a capital. Okay, if you want to assign a variable name without printing it, now we put x equal 10, so directly it's shown as 10. If you write y equal 5 plus 4, so directly the MATLAB will show y equal 9. Suppose that you want to suppress the printing. That means you want to type the variable without printing here to save space, or you want to have a tidy workplace. So you can suppress the echo printing by ending the command with semicolon. Let's try it. We can say a equal 12 semicolon. So now nothing shown here but a given the value of 12. Then p equal 12, for example. Sorry, it's 13 and semicolon. So also nothing shown here. The variable is shown here in workplace only. So if I mention c equal a plus b, but I didn't put the semicolon, c equal 25. Okay. Here's a list of commonly used operator like plus, minus, multiplication, dot multiplication. Dot multiplication is used for array multiplication. We will show it later. Also, superposition, exponential. We have left division operator and right division operator. So left division operator is different. It's the opposite way of right division operator, and we will check now how to do it. Also, there's other list of command here and operators here. So now let's practice some mathematics in MATLAB. For example, you can write x equal 10 semicolon, then y equal 2 semicolon, and then test the following: z1 equal x plus y, and then test z2 equal x minus y, and then z3 equal x times y. So all this is a function of y and x. Now this is called the right division. In right division, x over y, so x over y give you 5, but left division, it gives the opposite. So left division is here is y over x, not x over y over x. So it will be 0.2. Okay. Also, we have absolute. Okay, if you want to find absolute, for example, z3 equal y minus x, it give you minus 8. So if you want to make absolute, just abs and then z6, so it will give you 8, the absolute value of z6. Here we have another functions. So if you have a number, for example, x equal 4.454, and you want to find the bottom integer of this number, so floor x, it gives you the integer 4, and CL, it gives you the upper integer, so it will give you 5. But if you used the round x, so round x, it will round it according to the value. So 4.45, it will be rounded to be 4. Okay. Here's so it's round to the integer. But if you want to round it to the first decimal, okay, first decimal, so x comma 1, so this is the first decimal, so answer will be 4.5. If you want to round it to second decimal, so round x2, it will be 4.45. Okay, now let's take a larger number, y equal 315.214, and suppose that you want to round it to the I mean, if you want it to the integer, but then this number, you want to round this number. Okay, so you want to start from here, so round minus 1. Minus 1 means that minus 1 before the decimal. Okay, so this is the number before the decimal, so it will be 320, because he counts the first one, he rounded this one, so it will be 2310. Okay, if you want to round it to minus 2, so you want minus 2, this means two numbers, rounded two numbers, so it will be 300 only. Okay. Another useful function like squared x, so this is the square root of the number. Okay, 300, sorry, we have x here, so square root of x will be 2.1105. Another useful tool in MATLAB is formatting of MATLAB. So how you can display the numbers. So we have command 3, the command 3 format, long format, format long, format short, and format bank. Format long is scaled fixed point format with 15 digits, so it will be only 15 digits. Okay, so for example, if we here type format long and by, so by is 3.14159 blah 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 until 15 digits. If you count them, you will find them 15. Type format short. Okay, format short, it's fixed to 5 digit only, so 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, for format bank, it fixed the format to 2 decimal only. Okay, also we have another good way in MATLAB. This is symbolic and numeric in MATLAB. So suppose that you have a equal 12 divided by 15, so a will be 0.8. So if you want to display this value in symbolic form, so a equal sim and 12 divided by 15, so a will be 4/5. This is the symbolic form, of this value. Okay, if you want to return them again to scalar, so just double, so double a, so the answer will be 0.5. So it's also a very good way to use in MATLAB. You can construct symbolic variables and objects using command sams. So if you want to, for example, sams a, b, c, d, so now you can use it in symbolic form. So you can here you can say c equal 2 times a exponential 3 plus 5 times b exponential 2 plus 4. So it will give you c equal and give me this form of equation. Okay, then also you can assign d values. Okay, so the same, because here you assign a, b, c, and also d as symbolic, so you can use them as symbolic. If you put any variables here that not mentioned here, then it will give you, MATLAB will give you error message. So now c over d, so it will be all c over all d. If you want to display the symbolic in a pretty form, so you can pretty answer, so it will give you 2a power 3 in a nice form, so it will give you pretty way, the answer in pretty way.